excited. I have no idea what it is. Do you guys? All I know is it's a brand new LOL toy, and my mom thinks I've never heard of it. So I'm really excited to see it. Aren't you guys? Let's think of what it is. I'm not sure. Let me close my eyes so I can wait. Mommy, did you get it yet?
Open your eyes.
Whoa! Mom said this was the first surprise. I have Neon Cutie and Diva. JK! And I have my open Queen Bee one right here. So I have 2 more now. Woohoo! And my mom got me the big surprise that I've never heard of. Let me close my eyes. Again. Can I open?
Yes.
This is massive! Whoa! Is this the brand new house? It's the brand new house! Isn't it?
Yeah.
How did you get it? I'm so excited! And it comes with 2 exclusive character dolls. Boy, I'm so excited! Yay! Yeah! I want to open it first. Guys, I got part of it open so I can show you guys. And it has over 40 surprises. Has 2 exclusive dolls that you can collect on one of these sides that you guys can see. That comes with all the accessories you can see, guys. And it only comes with those 2 dolls. It doesn't come with the other ones in the photo, by the way. And it comes with all the accessories in the Clubhouse. I'm so excited. That's why I'm talking so bad. All right, let's open it. Okay, time to get it out. Ooh. Let me get this. Go. Ooh, I need my magic scissors. Actually, let's use my magic scissors to use magic scissors. Guys, these are the 2 characters that I got. They're so cute. One looks like a video game with shoes, and one looks like a roller skater with roller skates. And it's a girl and a boy. And Danger Zone, cute fox. This is so cute. And the Clubhouse. So excited. I'm going to go on the other side. Guys, I'm back. Okay, let's open this. Put on here. Get my scissors. And I don't need them. It's already pre-open for me. So it slides one of the directions. I don't know which direction. Whoop, I got it! But first, let's get my accessories and we'll finish opening that. That's cool, though. Okay, what's in this one? Whoa, what is this? A telescope! Guys, it's a telescope! So cool! Okay. Next one. There's so many. This is going to take forever. Well, at least they're paper now, so it's easier to open. Whoa! New high score game! Next one! Ooh, this feels cool. It's a chair! A rolly chair! I'm so happy! Ooh, a beanbag! And guys, by the way, they use paper now, so you can recycle more. That's why there are so many paper bags and not plastic. So I'm gonna keep opening. Whoa, I got a pop bottle! Ooh, what's down here that I dropped? 2 accessories. A skateboard, a finger skateboard. That's cool. And the next surprise is... Whoa, it's gas. What is this gas for? Gas. Or a gas tank. Oh, it was a cardboard. Guys, so I poured everything out, and this is the big surprise I was talking about. It's so big. And here are their guys' names. And it says recycle on the thing, by the way. So the boy's name is Glitch. and the girl's name is Switch BB. So I really want to see what this big one is, guys. It's a slide! Wow! Whoa, a ladder, of course. Full slide means ladder. Whatever this thing is. And a ladder. I think, guys, I'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I just put the hammock up because I opened it off cam and it looks so cute there. I love it. And these are all the surprises I have so far. They're so cute. And I put the slide on, by the way. Look at this cute slide. You can jump out of the window and slide down. It's so cool. So I'm going to put it like this and open the next surprises. Woo! Ooh, what's in here? It's cute. It's another arcade game. Because I know why they're doing all these arcade things. Because our Arcade Boys just came out. If you haven't already, after this video, go check it out. Okay, guys? Yeah. And then this is the same game.
That's cool.
The hero game. I'm going to put that there. Time for the next surprises. Ooh, what's a toolbox? Or something like that. My trash can's overflowing. Whoa, a hat. That's so cute. Okay, whoa, this is a big surprise. Whoa, whoa. It's a chair. Wow. That's cute. It's like a half tire. Only a couple more surprises. It's so cool. It's floating. What's the next surprise? Another tire chair. But it's orange and it's part tire again. That's so funny. And let me guess, another tire chair? Nope. Whoa, what is this? That's crazy. Whatever that is. Whoa, this is small. They're pliers for the tool kit. Oh, the tool thing actually opens. Plop. That's funny. Ooh, a game controller. Game controller. I'm just gonna put this in the trash can. Okay, next one. Whoa, that's a cool cup. Wow! That's a cute cup. Put that away. 2 more surprises. A hammer! Who's ready to hammer me? Put it in the toolbox. Now I have 2 tools. Final one. Is it another tool? Where is it? No, but these are cool. Oh, these are for video games. Ryan has one of these, remember? They're RV glasses, so you only see what the game is. Yeah. That's all the surprises. Kind of finished doing this. What's step 2? What's step 5 or 7? I think it's to pull this.
Here's all the cool Addie stuff it comes with. So there's the 2 dolls. And then it has some cool chairs and 2 video games. It has a gas tank, a bean bag. And what was the other stuff, Addie? Has a hat. What's this right here?
Cup. I have no idea.
Ooh. And we have a toolkit.
Oh, it's a stool.
Oh, and then look at how cute that is. A video game remote control.
For the RV glasses.
And VR.
Virtual reality.
Yeah.
There's instructions. Guys, step 7 is to slide the play. I wonder what's behind it. Guess. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm sliding it, guys. Whoa, more surprises. Cardboard. Put it over there. There's 3 surprises. Maybe like that. These are massive. Oh, that's where that is. It's the ramp. Yeah. Okay, throw that away. Okay, next one. Whoa, a bed. Here's the top piece. That was easy to build. What do you think? Oh, it's a game. That's funny. Soccer, goalie. This is fun. I'm just playing with it, it's fun. Okay, so what's step 8? Put the ladder. Okay, open this back up. Where's the ladder? Ladder goes here. I think we missed a step. Yeah, we missed a step. What step did we miss? Guys, I set it all up. All the furniture's in, and I got all the dolls set up. Only these dolls are included. The other dolls I just got because I have them. I have 2 bonbons in there, sugar skateboarding.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Plummy. Twins there, twins there, twins there, and twins there. I have so many twins. And these are the guards. Yeah. She's included. Not included. Not included. Queen Bee's dancing. That's what I mean. Bonbons eating. They protect the place and don't let people in. Her head fell off. See you guys in 3, 2, 1 for the next dolls. 3, 2, 1. Guys, this is the second part of the video. And I have the JK dolls. I have Diva and Neon Cutie. I already have Queen Bee. Now the only one I'm missing is M Sweet Swag, which I'll have her soon. So let's open Diva and Neon. They're dancing. I love this. First, I need my magic scissors. Good thing I had them on hand. Actually, I'll use my magic powers of my scissors. Magic power scissors. But, guys, so I took these bits out. These are the dolls, Diva and Free Swag. And these are the surprises. So, I'm gonna open these. Got this one. Neon Cutie surprises. I'm gonna do hers first so I don't get confused. First, paper surprise. A bottle. It's a juice box. That's so cute. What's the next one? Get one of her garment bags. Here's one of her garment bags with tape on my finger. Guys, we're gonna open and we'll be right back in 3, 2, 1. Guys, so I opened all the surprises. These are Divas in her clothes. And then these are Neon Cuties. All there. That's her. And then her clothes. Her bottle. And then hers is away. So I'm gonna punch these. Yeah, I can't get them open. So I'm gonna try to open them. A good way. There we go. Yeah, that was never gonna punch open, even if I did it for a million years. She's adorable. Wow! Oh my goodness, she's so cute. They're normal size at first, and then they get bigger and bigger. The dolls. And oh, there's accessories. I'm gonna cut them open. Snip 1, snip 2. There's a couple things in here, and a lot of rubber bands. So I'm gonna snip the first snip. Snip 3. Snip 4. And snip 5. That's all 5 snips, guys. I got her. Now to snip her out. I'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I got all 3 of them dressed. And this is Queen Bee from last time, by the way. I just put her in. And these are the 2 new ones. They are so cute. I love them. Guys, I hope you liked my video. Go see the one from last time where we opened her. And the Game Boys. And I hope you like this. I'm so happy that I got to open these, Mom. Thank you. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Turn on all notifications so you get notified when I make a new video. Bye.